What's good, YouTube? Today I have spent all my life savings to travel to Brazil, and I'm in the Amazon rainforest. As you can see, I'm in the dense green forest, and I'm gonna be attempting to survive for a while. Let's just see how long we can survive for. Beautiful banana leaf. As you can see, I'm glitching IRL. Like, see, my hand can no clip through the leaf. That's crazy. Ooh, I just grabbed the stick with my like I can throw it away and I can like grab it like that. I have the force. Oh, as you can see, there's an animal right there. Ooh, another stick. Oh, but on all seriousness, welcome to Green Hell VR, guys. I'm Kihan, and today we're gonna be just seeing how long we can survive. I played a little bit of this game at my friend's house, but for now I bought it myself, and now we're gonna try this game out. I played a little bit, so I'm familiar with some concepts. I'm gathering sticks right now. I'm not gonna set up base here. Actually, I'm just gonna grab the sticks, put them in these slots. There, I got 2 sticks. Well, the whole concept of this game is to survive. Oh, look, it's a capybara. Oh, what the hell? What the heck is that? But yeah, there's a whole tribe. It's just there's like a tribe in this jungle too that we have to be beware of. There's a campaign and stuff, but the campaign's for another time. I don't think I need this. I'll just take it. Who cares? But yeah, if this video can get 15 likes, I'll film a video on the campaign. Fern. Oh my lord! Look at how beautiful this game is. It's, as you can see, since this I'm using the Quest 2, I'm getting potato graphics. But oh, I'm balancing. I don't want to fall. Oh, there's buildings down there. Let's just go down there, I guess. But I gotta be careful. Oh, yeah. I don't think I can. There's no way of me going down there. I'm gonna die. But I think I can find a way. Hopefully I can. There's like a little path leading down. That would be great. Ooh, a path leading down. Or it's just a dead end. Ooh, unless I could just maneuver my way down like this. I do not want to. Hey, bro, chill. I'm just gonna teleport there. Yes, there's teleporting. Y'all might call it cheating, but I think it's just a resource. I am actually terrified. There's a canyon down there. Where's the? Oh, those are the buildings. Yeah, I need to explore that canyon. I never seen anything like it before. Oh, be careful. Oh, what the? I just fell through the map and I died.
Damn it!
Damn it. Hey, I died. Guys, I'm back. I died from falling, and as you can see, this is the same world. Do I still have my? Okay, good to know. I do not keep my stuff. If I did, it will be overpowered. But I'm running. There's this. What is this? Unknown mushroom. Can I eat it? Yeah, I'm not gonna eat that. That looks poisonous. I'm not gonna munch on that. Okay, we're back at that cliffside. I really want to get down there. I actually want to get down there. Find a way. Oh, there's a bridge right there. I think you can take that bridge. What the hell? Yeah, I heard a This game is just beautiful. Oh, there's an iguana. Yep, I know my animals. Oh, there's a trail stick. I'm just gonna keep the stick. There's a trail. There's some stuff in my journal. Ooh, okay. But there's a trail leading down to the bridge, hopefully. Yep, the bridge is over there. But yeah, this game is visually stunning. If I would recommend getting this game, it's worth the money. Oh, ow! I have injured something. Whoa! There's a rope. Something just fell. Yep, I do not want to be that leaf. That rock? It's a rock. Let's throw the rock. Yep, that rock broke into two, so... Oh, what the... Oh, come on. Can I teleport there? Cheating, baby! What the... Can I... That's how you jump? No, I can't do nothing. Rappel. I don't know how I can rappel. I think that's the only way of getting down, but not up. Nope. There's no way. Can I just teleport down there? I don't think so. Yep. Nope, I can't. Whoa. Nope, I do not want to fall. I do not want to fall. Just gonna cheat. Some of y'all might call it cheating, but I call it using resources. That's a pretty deep fall. Ooh. Okay, just be careful. Be careful. Oh my lord. What the? No, I fell. Well, I'm dead again. Guys, I'm back. Well, I spawned into a new thing now, cause I don't want to go for those. I really want to see what was down there, but I think I'm just wasting my time by just falling, keep on dying. Well, now we just gotta set up a shelter. I guess I have 5 objectives: set up shelter, hunt, get food, get water, and at least trap 1 animal. And there's this building. Well, is there anything in here? Nope. Useless. What even is this? Oh, what the? There's a container, but I don't know what the container is used for. Oh, okay, what the heck? I know what this is. Yep, this is Coke. This is some delicious Coke. Not the Coke you think I'm talking about. Yeah, as you can see, they're making it. It's either flour or Coke or whatever it says. Do you want to play with Snowman? Yeah, it's definitely not Snowman. Let's see what's in this microwave. More Coke. Well, I think this place is... Oh, arrows. Can I put them in my backpack? Tribal arrows. Yeah, I'm gonna keep those tribal arrows. More tribal arrows. What the... This game's kind of janky, but it's the goods overweigh the bads in this game. Whoa, it's a rock. Can I break it? I don't wanna set shelter here, cause it's just cocaine and stuff, and I don't like cocaine in my house. Ooh, what the? Yo, what the heck? It's a broom. And whatever this is called, a weed whacker. That's what it's called, the weed whacker. Is there anything used? Oh, there's a can of tuna. Well, check one thing off. I got food. Check one thing off. I got food. More food. More cans of tuna. Whoa. No way. Machete. Yes. Empty can of tuna. Beans. Is that beans? Wait. Cocktail sauce. It's a sausages. Well, let's keep them because... Is that orange juice? I'm gonna take that as a yes. Bag of nuts. I'm finding a bunch of food here, which is good. A bone knife. bone knife. I'm gonna keep it. It's a spray can, nothing. Is there anything in this bag? Can I search it? Ooh, one more. I found a bunch of food, so I think we'll be good for a while. Let's get out of here. Please drop a like if you're enjoying this video. I really like this game. More sticks. I think we'll need sticks to set up shelter. But we're doing good so far on this run. As suspected, there's a cocaine field. Oh, what the? Oh, heck no. Heck no. Oh, okay. I heard that and I knew it was you. You sneaky rascal. Can I kill it? I'm not killing it. I'm not going. Poor snake. It's not. Okay, so trap handle. Oh! I know what that means. Trap handle. So, I think it's string. Is it string? Nope. Oh. Oh! Okay, okay, I understand. What do we have for food? Bag of nuts. I don't think. We'll look for something, and if you find it. Stupid snake. Go away. I'm not gonna get stung by that thing. Anyways, I was thinking we leave that. We'll come back to that. Or we'll just make our own trap. But we gotta find a good place to, I guess, settle. The jungle holds many unsuspecting things. I just heard a rattle. Whoa. Oh. Is that a capybara? I'm not about to kill a capybara for food, am I? Whoa. Oh my lord. These things are all over the place. Snake. I was gonna kill it. So, is the food? No. This is useless. I just got bitten for no reason. Fruit. Can I heal? Okay, let's see venom wound. A venom wound. Okay, we gotta. This fruit has good. I think I should keep it for a trap someday. You found. Got bitten. That's great. Well, it's a nut. I'm gonna eat it. I just got fats from it. Oh, more nuts. I'm gonna eat a bunch of them. So this is a run where if I die, I'm probably gonna just end the video. Poop. It's poop. More funguses. I'm trying to look for a good place to set up base. Set up camp. Well, I'm infected. What the heck? Oh, venom. The venom's wearing off for after a bit. Until then, let's one of those more sneaky. I'm gonna throw a rock at you. Hopefully it works. I'm gonna need that rock back. Okay, I'm not going anywhere near that thing. Nope, I'm not jumping down. If I jump, I die. And I don't wanna die. The jungle is a very dangerous place. I'm not about to deal with that snake again, so I'm just gonna run past it. I don't know why it's not chasing me. Probably it's one of those weird mushrooms again. I should not consume it. Feel like if I consume it, I'll die. So I'm just gonna throw it away before curiosity gets the best of me. Venom. Oh my lord. What other things do I have? Let's see. Oh, I'm thirsty. I'm not about to pass out. It's that same structure again. We just circled back, I guess. I don't think is that the same structure. If it is, I'm probably gonna start crying. Because we just made a whole round. Yep, it's the same. I can hear the same snake. It's right there. It's been there for a while, and I hate snakes. IRL. If you love snakes, too bad. I killed one. Well, it's about to rain, and I suggest you just build base here. Where's the venom anyways? Is it on my foot? I can't even see it. Well, I'm gonna start building. I don't care where. Probably it's best if I build it right there, because I guess I'm building next to a cocaine dish. This water's polluted. My guess is. What's mud? I don't need mud. Can I make a mud wall? I can. Alright, this is gonna be the best base ever. I can already imagine it. Mud shower. What's a mud shower used for? Oh my lord. I'm gonna just build it. Alright, first of all, we're gonna get... There we go. I don't know what thing that accomplished, but I did. I don't know what this wood doesn't even break. Well, that's great. There's pigs. So not halal mode. Oh, I'm probably gonna drink that orange juice. Yeah, that orange juice of mine. That's gonna come in handy. Yeah, I got scared. Go away. Oh, bamboo. Can I break it? Yep, I'm breaking it. It seems like I'm breaking it. Bamboo log. Can I get it? Okay. It's kind of janky, but... What the? Oh my lord, I got so scared. You passed out. Hopefully I do not wake up with leeches. I did fall in mud, so I'm scared. Oh my lord. What the?
I need to rest.
We gotta see what I got. What is this? I do not like this. I'm gonna pick at it with my... Okay, I'm gonna come back with more. We are gonna build a mud mixer. I see it. It's gonna be beautiful. We're gonna build a mixer. Brick, this wood is useless. I'm gonna get it in my bag and drink my orange juice. 30 hydration. We're now gonna break it. Break down this tree. Break down this tree. It's a stick. Unuseful. If it wasn't for my machete, I would be lost. Okay, I think that's a log. Yep, that's a log. Let's put the log. Bro, there's animal poop everywhere. Let's just get that out of here. Well, the log is just floating. Isn't that crazy? Well, I really like this game. What is this made out of? Wood? It's just wood and mud. I think this is how I get my water. Getting water 2023. Hopefully this gives me logs. Yep, 2 logs.
I need to rest.
Okay, I'm not gonna rest here. Long stick. Oh, long stick. There's so much long sticks around here. Oh my lord. There's a river for mud. So I think I'm all set for now. Bamboo log won't do nothing. I would craft a torch, but I don't think it's necessary right now. Long stick? Oh, long stick. There's one. I need one more long stick. Nope, no long sticks. That means I gotta chop it down manually. Nope, that one doesn't break, I forgot. Well, I'm already ruining the rainforest by cutting everything down. This one should give me a long stick. That's when I'm gonna be mad. This is our first build. This is probably my first long video as well. So this is gonna be released. So come on, dude, just go in. Alright, I need... Now I gotta... Oh, perfect. What the heck? No. Oh, hell no. No, 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 no. Hell no, hell no, hell no, hell no, hell no. Oh, frick no. I'm not dealing with that. Nope. Nope, not at all. There's a leopard over there. And, I'm not gonna deal with the leopard. Oh, I'm just gonna go inside and sleep really quick. So I can regain all my health again. Can't even jump. There's a leopard over there. I'm not about to get mauled by a leopard. I'm doing so good right now. I'll just sleep here. Who cares? Hopefully I don't die in my sleep. Please don't die in my sleep. Please don't die in my sleep. Please don't die in my sleep. Please
Thirsty.
don't. I'm gonna just drink my last orange juice. Then I gotta start making my own water. My own. Well, that was my last orange juice. Bag of nuts. Canned tuna for breakfast. Well, it's an empty can now, so let's hopefully the leopard is gone by now, and well, the spore isn't leaving yet. I would start crying if I see that leopard again. Alright, we need string, so just gonna put that there. String, 2 more. Alright, string, 2 string. What else do we need? Oh, what the? What is that? What is that? Was that mud? I think it's mud. Well, let's just get mud. I think it's mud. Let's get mud. What is it? Whoa. I think we need a mud. Dry leaf. I think we gotta make a mud mixer first. Let's just make it right there. So what do we need for first? Stick. Oh, I got sticks.
God, I could use a drink.
Oh my lord, I gotta look for something. No, I'm not eating that.
No, bad idea.
I have parasites in my stomach now. That's great. Well, there's so much sticks here. Well, I'm not thirsty anymore. That's great. But I have parasites in my stomach. Tapeworms? Or being thirsty? Tapeworms. Alright, we got 2 more sticks. I don't think we need 2, but I've already... Wait, let's get rid of this. Get out of here. Logs. We need logs. Let's break this. No, can't? Alright, whatever. We'll just make our way over here. That's pigs. Or whatever. Astaghfirullah. No breakable trees. Oh, right here. What the? Oh, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, we got something to eat. I am terrified right now. I'm just gonna build a bed. No. I gotta make a fire right now. I got so much sticks. Sticks. I'm just gonna build a fire, eat this parrot right now before it spoils. Survival of the fittest. Now we need big sticks. It's starting to get morning. Where's the other sticks? Alright, 2 more. What was that dry leaf I threw away? I should have kept it by me. No, I don't need this. I am terrified. What the? What's that rustling? Now imagine people actually doing this IRL. You know, some people actually do this to survive. People who live in the rainforest. 2 more sticks. Yes, found him. Gotta make it. Yes. Now, wait, I need a crafting table. I know what to do. I can't leave. Can't go far away. I'm looking for wood. Alright, I'm just gonna take this. Oh, yes. Oh. Yes. I know how to play this game. I did research. Yes! No, I should probably keep this. think I can skin it. Yep. I'm gonna let that cook for a while. Until then, we gotta go search for more wood. Hopefully it doesn't get burned. Oop. Yep. Wood! Yes, wood! I meant whatever. Heavy wood. I'm making a mud mixer. What the heck? No. What the? No. Oh, my lord. I got scared for a bit. I thought it was stuck for real. This machete has actually been useful. Not even gonna lie. Look how fast it cut down wood. More logs, baby. You know, I am working as hard as I... Oh, that's stupid. Stupid. Rain, it put down... $19 decrease in 19. Should probably build a shelter. You know. Dry leaf. I'm gonna put this here. And so then chop this tree down. I'm gonna let this fire go out and then we'll cook. Until then, I'm gonna finish this up, this mud mixer, because it's my #1 priority. You know, surviving in the forest is a hard task. I'm surprised I've survived this long. Well, except the 2 other runs I did. Those were horrendous. Need 1 more log. And then I can go and eat some food. Better pick this up. Alright. I'm trying to look for a good tree to chop down. Well, all these trees have been... Nope, I can't chop this down. Stumps are stupid. That's what they are. There. Perfect place to make logs. Whoa, what's that sound, bro? Thank God I haven't seen that leopard. River mud. No. River mud. I need river mud. Campfire ash. Oh, I can light it up. Okay, I'm gonna cook the meat. Where did my campfire thing go? It just disappeared. Well, that's great. I have to craft another one. Well, I know how to craft it. Pretty easy. Get 2 sticks. No, I need the travel arrow. I don't know for what, but I feel like it's gonna be useful. Alright, there we go. Alright. You know, at beginning, I thought it was gonna be hard, but it's getting. I'm making all these stuff, and it's making me happy. Let's keep the fire plow. We're gonna let the campfire. You know, I don't know what to put up there. What is it? We gotta make it, I guess. It's supposed to get water, clean water. What is this? I don't know what that was for. But yeah, we're doing good so far. We're just gonna let that meat cook. Oh, until then we can build our shelter. I think it should be right here, next to the water. Yep. We're living the life right now. Perfecto. I know where I can find a log. Wait, is it fun? Is it done? Cooking? I don't want to burn myself. Was that good? Yes! It was good. I'm just gonna let this campfire burn out, so until then I'm gonna craft my shelter. What are these glitch? You know, I think I should start a let's play series on this thing. I think it'll be entertaining. Hopefully it's entertaining for you guys to drop a like. But if not, I understand. There's a flowing river. I don't think if I should. I will catch fish from there someday. I think we should keep a log nearby, just in case. A log right there. Until then, we're building our campsite. Ooh, I got things to my previous wood cutting. I think I got plenty of sticks. So. Also need wood. Not wood, but string. Please, not. No. Yep, the campfire burnt out. Hopefully it dropped ash. If not, I'm gonna be pissed. Well, this game's simple, but at the same time hard. Did it drop ash? No ash. I'm gonna burn it again and hopefully it drops ash. But after this rain, it's gonna rain. It rained already. It's raining, but next time it rains, I'm gonna be collecting water. Let's build our little shelter until we got plenty of food. Where was I? Oh, it's right here. There's more string over here, so I'll just come back. Until then, we're just gonna put the string back and forth. Y'all watch survival channels, so I think it's worth watching me survive. It's kind of difficult maintaining my health because in this game, obviously, I'm not talking about IRL. Hopefully not. I hope y'all all stay healthy as well. Everybody needs to stay healthy. I don't know what I'm saying. I think I'm going crazy. You know. Oh, what the? Is this frog healthy? Hopefully, I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat this frog. It's spoiled. I'm not eating this. Get out of here. Yeet. Yeet. I'm gonna use this dry leaf to stoke this fire. Yep, it disappeared again. Guess I gotta make another one. Why does it keep on happening?
I need to rest.
I'm gonna wait, chill. Hopefully, wait. I'll rest in a bit. Wait, I'm gonna have to make this campfire before I start resting. Can I grab this? Oh, yep, my health is going down. That's why. Can I please this time? I'm gonna put this right here, and I'm gonna fall asleep under here. I'm falling asleep. Hopefully, I don't die. I don't die in my sleep. If I die, I'll really be bummed out. You're slowly dehydrating. I'm gonna eat something because I think I should. I think I can use this cup.
Oh, God.
2 more parasites. Yummy. I know. The fire's about to burn out. I think that's great because then that means I can get the ash to start building. I think I'm gonna start putting leaves. Start putting leaves in my home. Burning out. I like it. I'm gonna put the dry leaf in my bag instead in case I gotta start another fire. I have a bunch of sticks to start a fire, but I gotta finish my house. It's gonna be a long video, guys. Hopefully y'all stay until the end. 2 dry leaves. No, do not. Come on. It's called the rainforest for a reason, but why gotta rain so much? No, come on, let it finish. Let it finish, come on. Let the fire be finished, come on. I just need the ash. Then oh my lord, every night. Can I break this? Nope. I need to find a palm tree. I was using a stick to break stuff down. Alright. Eat this nut. I'm eating it. Hopefully this shelter can protect me from the coldness of the rainforest. Oh, I've got 2 leaves, and I'm still near the cocaine base. Man, it's tough surviving out here. 1 million subscribers, and I'll actually go to the rainforest and survive as I'm doing right now. But you guys proved me wrong. I don't think y'all could do it. 1 million subscribers, and I'm going to the rainforest, baby. No, what the heck? Gotta go in there. Come on, can I reignite this? This time, please let me. Yep. Oh. Okay, it worked, it worked. I'm doing it. This time, hopefully, it doesn't rain. I don't know why my hand wasn't burned, but this is green hell logic we're talking about. So, please, the fire burn out. And once it burned out, I still hear the spore, whatever it's called, the little mark. Oh, the few days were rough, not gonna lie, but we're getting the hang of it. We still got 4 parasites in our stomach. Palm leaf. This is a palm leaf. But okay. Oh, it's finished. Campfire burned. Charcoal. How do I make campfire ash? How do I make... Oh, campfire ash. Yes, I did it. I need water. I'll get water. Okay, I just gotta... Oh my. Alright, we just gotta wait for it to rain. Come on, rain. Can I crouch? Oh, yep. God has answered my prayers. I have finally, I think, made one single mud wall. I gotta repeat the process a bunch of times. Is it raining? Yes! Oh my lord. I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. It's making a mud wall. Did I do it? A mud brick. Does that go up there? Yeah! I've made some mud bricks. I'm gonna make a couple more. Oh my. Alright.
I need to rest.
We're gonna rest, man. Buddy, just wait. We're almost done and we got infinite water. Infinite collecting water. Come on. We got a single mud brick left. No.
God, I'm so hungry.
Oh, I got you. Don't worry. We got a single can of tuna left. Don't worry, buddy. Come on, I need mud. Come on. Just need mud. Probably gonna rest in a bit. Wait, hold up. Oh yes, food. Food. Delicious. We just need one more mud brick. Good. Need like 3 more. Yeah, I'm probably gonna just rest on top of this rock over here. Hopefully it's... Please don't die, please don't die, please don't die. Please don't die, please don't die. Leech, leech, leech is on me. Oh my...
Thirsty.
Leeches, wait. Am I foot okay?
Hungry.
Don't. Hungry. Is there any mud? No, nothing. I got nothing in my backpack either. We gotta go looking out for food. Not, we'll die. We don't wanna die. We made it so far. Just almost so close. How are we getting?
I'm not stray kid.
You can't save her!
What the hell? What the hell? What did I just hear? No, 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 no. Come on. Water.
Disgusting. Ugh.
Come on, I'm just looking for mud. That's it.
You need to
Don't
eat.
touch it.
Yeah, I'm not eating that. I'm gonna find something to eat. Hopefully it's a fish or a snail. If it's a snail, we can cook a snail. Whoa, what the heck? No, 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 I need this missile. Don't laugh at me. Come on, I'm just trying to look for mud. Yeah, the only time I'm looking for mud, I don't find any. Oh, stupid iguana, you're trapped. Wired blade. Oh my
You
lord.
shut up. Oh. I'm hungry.
Can I harvest it more? Yes, I've found food. But I can't find mud. What the heck is this? Wood resin. I think this will be useful.
I haven't lost my mind yet.
You can't.
Yeah, I'm losing my mind. Oh, mud!
That
Go
is-
away.
Mud. I just gotta insert some ash.
I can't.
I'm not stupid.
Can't win.
I'm gonna start preparing a campfire for my food. No.
Let them kill you.
What the hell? No.
So what's the point?
No.
For you. Just die. Just die already.
My lord. Oh, my lord. Oh my god. My heart, it's hurting. Well, thank you for watching, guys. Well, this was it. And peace.